Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the fast and free shipping. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Eat a lot of turkey. Be safe out there. I'm coming down with something. I'm not sure. My voice is definitely changing on me right now, so bear with me. And there we go. And we have here, what do we have here? HeimVision Smart Wi-Fi Cam 2K Ultra HD Mate 1. This is a nice little guy. iOS, Android app, specs. This is what you get in the box. HD camera, power adapter, screw set, local cloud storage, manual adjustment, port, I can't read that, or manual adjustment of pan and tilt angle, handy two-way radio, advanced night vision. Ooh, let's take a look at this. Definitely excited. This will be a nice little stocking stuffer to give somebody or to yourself, especially now in these crazy times. You want to give yourself a few seconds extra before the bad guys do. This, hopefully that doesn't come down to it, but always a good thing to have an extra security system around, especially if you have little kitties, so you can watch them in their room, especially the newborns. We got a manual. We might need that. And we got a USB. Is it a normal one? Somewhere in the mix. Here we are. And power adapter. Screws for mounting. Reset key right there. Or probably an SD card slot. 2 screws. And a little sticky stuff. Alright, here she is, guys. First time seeing one of these. This is cool. It's like one of those robot thingies I seen. That's what it looks like. Whoa. Oh, it's doing workout. Pull up. 1, 2, 3. That is pretty cool. I like the jet black. Really nice. Stealthy. That is so cool. 1, 2, 1, 2. Pelvic thrusts. And it says name right there. HeimVision. And you must stick to that USB right there. Alright, I'm going to pause. I gotta go get my dessert out of the oven. Hold on. Alrighty, YouTubers. Once you get your phone, I got the normal iPhone 11. And you can gonna use the Pro Max like I have, or Android like I'm recording on right now. This is a Hem Smart. Gotta go get. Oh man, password. Alright, it is. I had to reset my password on my Apple. Totally forgot. It happens. Now we are ready to rock. All you gotta do is open. Allow. Confirm. Allow. Whoa. Yes. Use your location. Alright. Allow. Forget. Create. I am new. I'll do this one. Give me 1 second, guys. Typing as fast as I can. I gotta register. Hold on. Alright, guys, once you sign up, you're gonna put your email, and then they're gonna send you a code via email, so make sure you have your email on standby, so make sure it's around your area. because it's going to ask you a 4-digit code, I think it was. And then now we can turn on this. So look at, let me plug her in, start her up, and we'll be good and rocking and rolling. You guys can enjoy the rest of your Thanksgiving, and Black Friday starts and good old Cyber Monday is coming. So make sure, check these guys out though. Add it to your list or check out now. Nice little camera. Alright, plug it in. You can put in your office camera. Alright, there it goes. Now we go here. Oops. That's so fun. Get back over here. There we go. At least we can see you. Alright, add a device. See? I'll tell you the little steps to do. Plug it in. Reset camera. Oh.
Camera start.
I heard a voice prompt. Okay, that is going to ask you for your Wi-Fi. Make sure it's a 2.4. Oh, you gotta do this. Oh.
Wait for connection. Wait for connection. Wi-Fi connection success.
Yeah.
Wait for connection.
There we go. And that's going to say that. Now it's connecting you. I'm not sure if it's going to show anything private, but I doubt it. Boom. Now I can name my device. Spare room. See how easy, you guys? If I could do it, you guys could do it. Alright. A free cloud service, so that's always a good bonus. Allowed to access your microphone, why not? Alright, HD, baby. Full HD. Oh, yeah. Lucky, lucky. Really simple to set up, guys. Hello. Who are you? Hello. 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 All that shows motion detection, lets you know what area. So you can have it like this. And you can always, I want to break my phone. Raise it like that. Bada boom. I'm liking it. Easy to use. Definitely worthy enough to put in the stocking stuffer. Great home security. So, lightweight. You could probably have it hooked onto something like that. Like a ledge. Your cabinet or something. They're really cool, guys. Check them out. Be safe and have a good weekend. See you soon.